Batman, the Telltale Series, the enemy waiting. Episode 4. Schurken von Vaudeville. Eine schockierende Entdeckung zwingt Bruce in seiner Verzweiflung zu einer Planänderung, als der todbringende Plan der Bösewichts ausartet. Und damit sage ich Hallo und herzlich willkommen zu einer weiteren Folge oder neuen Folge von dem Let's Play von Batman, the enemy waiting. Ich hoffe, das habe ich richtig ausgesprochen. Ich bin euer Brandebaki und begrüße euch recht herzlich. Und lasst euch nicht irritieren, weil da Folge 4 fortsetzen heißt. Wir haben Episode 4 noch nicht gestartet, beziehungsweise ich habe vorhin gerade eine Aufnahme gemacht und dann habe ich aber vergessen, den Sound auf das Headset rumzudeichseln, so dass ich keinen Ton mehr hatte, und dann habe ich die Aufnahme abbrechen müssen und somit fangen wir jetzt nochmal an. Wir haben in Episode 4 noch gar nichts gespielt, wir haben nur halt mal das Intro gesehen von Episode 4, darum lasst euch nicht lumpen, ob da jetzt Folge fortsetzen steht oder nicht, denn wir beginnen die Folge 4 erneut. Jawohl. So, ja, wer die Geschichte bisher verfolgt hat, wird sehen, dass viele Zusammenhänge mit dem Vorgänger da waren. Deine Entscheidungen bestimmen den Verlauf dieser Spielreihe. Die Geschichte hängt davon ab, wie du spielst.
War always carries a cost, and my war on crime is no different. The truth is, no matter how hard I fight, sometimes I have to lose. In order to save Selina from this fate, I had to give myself up. My life for hers. Now, there's nothing to stop Harley Quinn and her crew from killing everyone at the Sanctus facility and stealing a virus that could wipe out Gotham. Meanwhile, I face the cold embrace.
Das war das, was wir gesehen haben.
Waller. Damn it. Just think.
Kiste ansehen.
Those weren't helpful.
Die sind nicht hilfreich. Ja, gut. Kapsel.
Riddler's capsule. That's not gonna do me any good right
Ja,
now.
nicht weiter. Okay. Da, den Impuls. Der EMP.
EMP. It'll fry the auto locks on this chamber.
Telefon, EMP hacken.
I need to prime it before I can activate it.
Oh fuck. What the hell? Kommt Bruce hier wirklich raus? Er hat's wirklich geschafft.
Bruce, can you hear me?
I'm here. Harley had me thrown into one of Freeze's cryo chambers. But I'm okay now.
Oh, well, that's a relief. I'm afraid I was starting to panic.
I've got it under control, Alfred.
Is the pact still in the subway?
No. I'm bringing the car around. Call Waller. Tell her the pact means to slaughter their way into Sanctus, and I'm going after it.
What? They'll have you shot on sight, Bruce.
I'm not going as Bruce. It's time to let Batman handle things.
Okay, ich hab schon fast gedacht, dass das doch nicht das Ende sein kann. Und wahnsinnig, was die Entwickler sich dabei gedacht haben. Body Wellness Center 2027.
Alfred, I'm in.
Any sign of Harley or the others?
Naja, Schusswechsel gab's auf jeden Fall. Blutspuren auch. Dieser Herr ist tot. What the hell?
They beat me here. Looks like Bane took out one of the spa workers.
More death and destruction.
Ja.
This blood trail looks like they dragged something.
Kannst du da einfach so ungeschert durchlaufen?
They're looking for Project Lotus. Looks like the alarm system has been disabled.
Who's there?
Du hast auch die speziellen Linsen. Naja. Du hättest die speziellen Linsen.
Get out of here or I'll shoot, I swear to God!
Where did they go?
They went down in the elevator.
Do you have access?
It's gotta scan my eyes.
Another use for Riddler's eyes. Call it for me!
No way! Those freaks are down there! They'll kill me if they see me.
If you do it, I can stop the intruders that attacked you.
I'm not supposed to let anyone in there. But... all right. You gotta stop them.
Danke dir.
Send paramedics.
I've already made the call.
Ab in die Höhle des Löwens, würde ich jetzt mal sagen. Oh, Batman. The enemy waiting.
Bruce, I contacted Director Waller. She, wants to speak with you. Now.
Put her through.
Batman, where are you? Give me a status update.
I'm at the Sanctus facility. I split with the Pact, and they beat me here. It's a bloodbath.
I ordered you not to blow your cover. What the hell were you thinking?
Naja.
You could have been there to prevent this.
I was thinking about stopping the Pact, which is way more than you're doing right now.
Don't make this a fight with me. Just look at the bodies and ask yourself if it was worth it. We'll be there to
Das
back you
wäre auch
up soon.
passiert, wenn ich da
We're gonna
noch
put an end to
mitgemacht
this
hätte.
once and for all.
Looks like Sanctus security barely slowed them down.
That's why you have to keep them there until we arrive. That virus cannot be allowed to leave the facility. Don't mess this up again.
Ich vermassle es. Wer hat denn das Ganze nicht aufhalten können von Anfang an? Wer?
The store
Das seid ja wohl
requires a
ihr
key
gewesen.
card. That's Riddler's symbol. Some sort of hacking program.
Batman wird wieder natürlich als Schuldigen dargestellt und so weiter. Auch wenn er jetzt hier als Komplize dabei gewesen wäre, wäre das Ganze so ausgeharrt, wie es jetzt
Hopefully it was
ausschaut.
quick. No keycard here.
Hier ist eine Stromleitung.
Those green lights seem odd. Remind me of Riddler.
Irgendwie kommt mir das vor, als hätte Riddler das Ganze aufgebaut.
Someone's trapped under there. His final moments must have been painful, horrific.
Das ist unglaublich, dass
Scientist.
er da einfach so rumspazieren kann.
Easy. You'll just injure yourself more.
It's too late for that. Stop them. Here. Take my...
Ist doch schon okay, beruhig dich. Fuck. Dafür werden sie alle büßen. Mal schauen, wie weit hinten das ich noch kann. Okay. Das wolltet ihr doch schon immer. Batman mal von ganz nahem sehen.
Security didn't stand a chance.
Nicht nur die Sicherheitsmaßnahmen, sondern... Oh.
Looks like Bane's handiwork.
Ach komm. So. Sollte das gehen, wenn ein Head-Virus drauf ist?
Don't touch anything unless I say so. We don't know what half this stuff does.
What are you doing?
You saved my life by taking the rap for the laptop theft. I'm returning the favor. I'm on guard duty along with 3 gunmen who are all watching that door up ahead. If I hadn't stopped you, you'd be full of holes right now. We don't always see eye to eye, but I'd much prefer you in one piece.
I'm just glad to see you alive.
Same. After seeing them throw you in Freeze's meat locker, I wasn't sure if that was the end. I've seen a lot of death recently.
Ich auch.
Harley encouraged Freeze and Bane. They killed anyone they wanted. I should have done something more to stop them. But I didn't.
Bane! What did I say about touching the equipment?
Be quiet, you imbecile!
I'm going to make this right. I'll help you stop them. Whatever I have to do, they're not getting that virus. Whatever it is, I can do it.
Good. We'll fight them together.
That's exactly what I wanted to hear.
Anything in here could kill ya. So keep your hands to yourself.
Let's do this.
Legen wir los. Habe ich nicht schon mal mit Catwoman zusammen etwas gemacht? In Staffel 1? Gab es da nicht auch noch sowas zusammen?
You know what you're doing.
Of course I know what I'm doing.
Don't you worry about making a mistake.
Do not distract him. He can execute this job perfectly. You should be keeping an eye out.
Shut it, you two.
Tick-tock, Freezy. Get the virus and let's go.
It's an automated extraction process. You can't rush it.
I've seen Freezy's obstacle wife move faster than this thing.
Lass dich nicht von den Schlägern entdecken.
Hey, it's a bat!
Du hast eine kugelsichere Weste an, Mensch. Okay, ich habe nicht genau gewusst, was ich machen muss, drum,
You know what you're doing.
Of course I know what I'm doing.
drum wusste ich nicht, was ich
Don't
machen
you
muss.
worry about making a
Do
mistake.
not distract him. He can execute this job perfectly.
Also ich möchte sie natürlich blenden.
Shut it, you two.
Ist das Blenden wirklich optimal? Oder lieber shoppen?
Tick-tock, Freezy. Get the virus and let's go.
It's an automated extraction process. You can't rush it.
I've fucking crazy popsicle wife move faster than this thing.
Ich schocke sie. Sehr unauffällig.
Batman! This is a distraction we do not need.
You switching sides on us, kitty?
I weighed my options and what can I say? I don't like to lose.
You made a big mistake.
The virus is almost extracted.
All right, Bats. What made you think you'd be able to stop all of us?
Tja,
I wouldn't put money on your chances of walking out of here.
Maybe we should try a therapy circle.
I know all your tricks, Harley.
Please. I know your type. You think you know me, but you're so wrong. Unfortunately, we have a tight schedule. But I always have time to kill you. Get 'em,
Du hast es
boys!
schon mal versucht und nicht geschafft. Und auch du hast es versucht. Wow. X, A, ja. Naja, der Versuch war... Und auch dich habe ich schon mal besiegt. Ohne deinen Zaubertrank bist du da natürlich wehrlos. Ich hab doch X gedrückt. Batarang, Schockschied. Das bringt aber nichts.
I got a present for you. Not today. Bad kitty!
Hier können wir uns zum Freeze. Ja, sogar 2 gegen einen. Ich will euch doch gar nicht wehtun, aber...
Batman! Worry about yourself.
That's for messing with my Batman. Go fight your own hero.
Du schaffst es nicht ohne diese Medizin. Okay. X on! B. B. Und X.
The ice! It burns!
Virus extraction completed.
Enough of this! You're done!
Was hast du getan?
Nora, I
managed to save them for you.
Please evacuate the lab through the emergency elevator. Batman, we're in the facility now.
Oh! Uh-oh.
Harley! Wait up!
No! I'm infected! What are you doing? You need me!
Not anymore.
Harley!
Harley's getting away.
Come on, we'll find...
Get down! Get down!
We didn't stop Harley.
You did enough. Now get out of here.
See you around sometime.
Batman, the Telltale Series, the enemy waiting. Sanctus Forschungseinrichtung, 21:06 Uhr.
Alfred, call Tiffany and tell her to get to the manor. Harley escaped with a virus.
Right away.
Get me a proper lockdown crew in here, stat. I want bioscans on freeze. Do not let him out of that airlock. Move it, people!
Good work here, Batman.
Good work? Harley escaped with the Lotus virus. Your girlfriend, Catwoman, is nowhere to be found. Same goes for your boy, John. So if good work means half the pact is loose in Gotham, and we've got a megavirus in the hands of a psychopath, then yes, this is picture perfect. Oh, I could think of some more colorful words to describe this situation.
Catwoman and John are not a concern. Our focus needs to be on Quinn.
As much as I hate to admit it, you have a point. Sanctus, right under our noses all this time.
Chemical weapons, human experimentation. Sanctus is the darkest part of the agency's history.
Und ihr konntet nichts dagegen tun. So
Oh, this place is just evil.
And that's why we're shutting it down once and for all. We can take some of this equipment and put it to good use.
This facility needs to be burned to the ground. I don't want so much as a trace of it left in my city.
Why don't you let me worry about that, Batman?
Weil das
I'm
nicht
gonna
ihre
need your
Stadt
help
ist.
tracking down Quinn. She's out there with the virus, and that's a threat to Gotham we simply can't allow.
Freeze must have an idea about where she'd go in these circumstances.
Don't waste your time with that maniac. He'd say anything to throw us off track.
But he's our best lead.
Well, I disagree. Freeze is nothing more than a science experiment gone awry. You best keep your focus on Harley and the virus before anyone else gets hurt.
That was strange. She just completely shut me down. She's normally so open to all possible leads. This is so unlike her.
Waller was out of line. She should know better than to ignore your instincts.
Usually she does.
Die führt was im
Listen,
Schilde.
Director Waller may think it's a waste of time, but I say leave no stone unturned.
I'll see what I can find out.
Hey, Will, give me a hand with this, will you? I think there may be something we can salvage back here.
Oh, ich glaube zu Freeze. Freeze. Virusdaten.
Batman, have you come to gloat? To revel in what you've done?
Of course not. You don't deserve this. You need help, Freeze.
You think?
Nein.
I'm here to talk about Harley Quinn. I need your help to find her.
If you want me to tell you what I know about Harley, I'm going to need something from you in exchange. The agency intends to keep me prisoner with this virus living inside me. They mean to study me. Given the chance, I could beat this, just like Riddler. He became stronger for it.
You're saying Riddler became infected with the Lotus virus when he worked for Sanctus?
If he could survive it, I believe I can too. That dial, there. They've keyed it into the temperature regulators in the airlock. All I need from you is to turn that dial. Let my body do the rest. Lower the temperature in the airlock. I know that I can fight this.
I will do that for you. But first, tell me what you know.
I'm so glad you're agreeable. The truth is, the Lotus virus doesn't have to be this. Riddler's blood can turn the virus into something that can heal. That's why we stole his body. Why your friends in the agency had it on ice. My Nora will perish if I don't use Lotus to save her. Bane really hoped to cure himself of his addiction. Harley already has the virus. And now she needs a blood sample from Riddler's body. With it, she will have what she needs to create the serum. She'll go for the body first. That's how you will find her. I already have samples of the blood. Look for a temperature-controlled container. Now, you have what you came for. Please, do as you promised.
Ja, Batman. Du hast es versprochen und wir halten es auch.
Thank you, Batman.
I need to get to the subway right away. If Harley's trying to make this serum, she'll go straight for Riddler's blood.
I'm coming with you. The secondary properties of this virus. The serum they want to make from it. I've got a feeling Director Waller didn't want us to hear that. Which would explain why she steered you away from Freeze. What is she up to, I wonder?
Waller always operates on some hidden agenda. Surprised you're only just realizing.
I guess I'm not. Just realizing, that is. I guess I just have blinders on when it comes
War
to
das
people
jetzt
I
die, wo
look
die
up to.
Ohrenschaden hat? Nee, oder?
Don't worry about that now. If we hurry, we can intercept Harley at the lair.
We could use Bruce on this one. The less attention we draw to ourselves, the better.
What does that mean?
If Harley sees Batman coming, she may do something drastic. But if she sees Bruce, she'll think she can take you. You don't know I'm the one that told Waller who you really are. Are we all good? I'd like to clear the air, in the interest of full transparency.
It's your job to figure people out. Can't hold it against you.
I'm glad you see it that way.
Episode 4. What ails you? Gut, die 100%ige Übersetzung haben sie noch nicht hinbekommen, aber das kommt vielleicht noch. So, wie weit geht's hin wieder? Jetzt.
I suppose I should have seen this coming. She's become more and more erratic since she came to Gotham. I hardly know what she's going to do next.
Harley?
No. Director Waller. I'm not used to her keeping me out of the loop. Ah! Damn! Ow! Ah, the hell is wrong with this thing?
Damn it, sorry. I've got a passive anti-surveillance system running. It must have triggered
What did you say, Bruce? Looked like you were speaking, but can't hear so well without these.
I was saying the car as a passive security system. It triggered feedback in your hearing aids.
Crappy agency technology. Not your fault. Look, it's fine. I'd just rather not talk about it.
Verstehe. Voll und ganz.
I have to admit, a part of me was sort of hoping we'd be taking the Batmobile. Not that this car isn't great, but, you know, it's no Batmobile.
Oh, we are taking it.
I don't follow.
I push a button, the armor plates flip, and voila. Batmobile.
That's incredible. If you're not just pulling my leg.
Yeah. Lucius Fox was a genius.
You've put a lot of time and energy into this crusade.
I prefer to think of it as a mission.
Do you ever question it? Not the mission. I mean, the methods. The clandestine nature of what you do. The fear tactics. The occasional brutality. No judgment. Just curious.
I've done what I had to do. I don't always enjoy it, but it's part of being Batman. If I don't question it, I'm as bad as the criminals I fight.
That makes sense. I'm having a bit of an existential crisis.
Existential crisis?
Yeah, it's Waller. Why wouldn't she want us to know what Freeze told you? Things have gotten gray recently. Too gray. I don't know if I'm on the right side anymore. Maybe I shouldn't have brought this up.
You should trust your instincts. They're what make you good at your job.
I'm glad to hear you say that. It bothered me when she allowed the pack to obtain Riddler's body.
Wait, that was intentional?
I've had deep reservations about Waller. Can't believe I just said that out loud.
But you told her I was Batman.
Bruce.
Ich liebe das Spiel.
Hey,
Es gibt einfach keine Möglichkeit.
You sure you're okay to do this?
Absolutely. You know, I looked through Gordon's case files about Harley. Her father suffered from mental illness that eventually drove him to suicide. An illness with a strong hereditary link. It's very possible she wants this serum to prevent the same thing happening to her.
If she fails, she's got one deadly plan B.
Don't sound so worried, Batman. I'm here to help.
We're almost there.
Und dann können wir sicher einen Break machen. Ich denke, das schaffen wir. So, jetzt haben wir einen Break. Bis dann. Ciao, ciao.